Good afternoon, everybody. I've chosen to use software called Screencastify Lite to present a project planning tool called the Gantt chart for you today. And there's a few reasons why I've chosen to do this. So Screencastify Lite itself is an example of an appropriate educational technology that you could use to support what you are saying during your presentation for assignment number 4 in this course. You might also be able to use it later on in a couple of other courses that we will be doing. The Gantt chart itself, which I'll bring up on the screen here for you. So here's an example of the Gantt chart that I used for my EDU 690, the very last course when you're doing your dissertation. And I'll come back to an explanation of what the Gantt chart shows in just a minute. Some other reasons why I'm showing you the Gantt chart is because when you get to October later this year, you will be engaged in SPF 689, where you will need to do an action research plan on a much larger scale than what you're doing for 672, the particular course that we're in right now. So you will need to use some sort of timeline for which the Gantt chart is an excellent choice, and that will spill over into the EDU 690, the very last course that you'll be doing before you graduate. Yay, can't wait to get there. Okay, going back to the Gantt chart for just a moment. So as you can see on my screen, the Gantt chart will show the different tasks that you will engage in throughout your action research project, and then ultimately into the writing of your essay. You also see columns for the start date and the finish date, and I've created a template for you that will show the duration, so the calculations are built in. And then on the right-hand side, you will see a calendar for which you can fill in to show the duration of each task, which tasks will overlap, the full duration of the task, and then, of course, the end date for the task. Now, if you don't want to show your face on the screen while you're using Screencastify Lite, please know that that is an option. Screencastify Lite is a free software that you will be able to get from the Chrome Web Store. And if you need any help downloading that and utilizing the basics of that, we can certainly help you out with that. So we're going to go back into the class now in real time, and I'll talk a little bit more about the Gantt chart, answer any questions that you guys have, and then we'll engage in an activity that gives you an opportunity to practice creating a Gantt chart.